Okay, so my last video on Violet Aniani was not so good, so I want to go ahead and do this one for you guys. If you haven't played this song with me before, you can go to the link that's in the description to this video and get a copy of the song by Aniani. So we're using our Olapa strum. On the Olapa strum, if you have not learned it yet, make sure you go back to my video that teaches the Olapa strum, and you can learn it there. Practice it with perhaps Ulupalakua. There's a video there, and also this one. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start on G and then go to C. You guys ready? Okay. You guys, this is for you to practice Violet Aniani with. I hope you enjoy working with that. Enjoy your Olapa strum, and I'll see you guys soon.